very first vlog finally. Talaga kami ahead of time. Yung friend niya sabaw talaga, girl. Wala, cancel. Hi! Medyo mainit siya today. And then, I don't want to say that it was a scam. So, wala. Maglalakad talaga tayo. This is Benton Market. Love it. Thank you. Here's Hello everyone! Welcome to my very first vlog finally. But before anything else, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Casey Lacson and I am from City of Love, Iloilo City. So the purpose of this vlog, guys, is for me to share with you the step-by-step process. I might not be perfect, but I will do my best. Especially with Iloilo City people, no? I have a lot of friends and I know some people na very hesitant to travel outside of the country kasi dito sa Iloilo, guys, we are currently have 3 international direct flights. So we have Hong Kong, we have Singapore and Thailand, but it's not like every day nakadepende pa yun sa schedule. That's yun yung na-notice ko lately pag nagbubook ako. Hindi siya like everyday may schedule na may flight na ganon. So, depende talaga sa schedule niya, no? Today, it's November 26 and it's currently 9:35 p.m. And we are going to Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, or Saigon, Vietnam. Vietnam is one of my favorite country and I'll show you guys why. Bakit naging favorite ko yung Vietnam? I promise you. I assure you. I love their coffee. Sana yun. Hint yun. Alam naman nating lahat, Vietnam is very known with their coffee. But, i-share ko pa talaga sa inyo kung bakit siya naging favorite ko, no? Depende din kasi, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung mahilig din sa kape, kayo sa kape or whatsoever. But anyway, the purpose of this vlog is for me to share with you guys the step-by-step process, kung ano ba kailangan gawin, ano ba kailangan dalhin, ano ba kailangan mga i-prepare, something. And this vlog might be more on travel diaries. I am not sure yet. Maybe it will like a daily life whatsoever. But in the meantime, it's gonna be like a travel diary to Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. And yeah, by the way, before anything else, we are flying with Philippine Airlines. So our boarding will be at 11 p.m. O diba, hindi ko alam. Sige, case. But yeah, I know my flight is 11:30 p.m. Yung boarding natin is 11 p.m. So yeah. We have a layover at Manila. So yeah, normally guys ganon. Pag from Iloilo City ka, no? Kung hindi ka lang naman pupunta sa Hong Kong or sa ibang country ka, not Hong Kong, not Singapore, not Thailand, kasi again, we have direct flights na already. So take advantage of those countries na may direct flight tayo kasi less hassle, less stress, and it's just like 2 hours flight. But for connecting flight, it might be stressful a little bit, but I think it's gonna be worth it. For me, it's worth it. Every flight that we had, every flight that I will have, for me it's gonna be worth it. And then it will be more hassle free if you guys will do your eGov na. I'll gonna link that here. eGov nyo, prepare nyo na, fill out na kayo. I was able to pay my travel tax, that is 1,600-ish. I also gonna put that here. Nag-check-in na din ako ahead of time para less hassle talaga. For PAL, nag-check-in ako. Again, we are flying with PAL. So normally, nag-check-in na talaga kami ahead of time. I experienced na close yung travel tax booth. So, I had to pay the travel tax doon pa sa Manila. So, alam mo yun, instead na didiretso ka na lang sa immigration or sa kung saan man yung tag dito, airline nyo para kumuha kayo ng boarding pass nyo, pipila ka pa dun sa travel tax booth, di ba? So it's more hassle-free if you guys can, if you could, if you could pay that online, that would be great. I also gonna link this here for your reference. It's more hassle-free. Same lang naman kasi yung amount. Why not, di ba? I-share ko pa sa inyo more information after na makalusot tayo sa immigration mamaya. Okay? So, again, guys, thank you so much. I am very excited to share everything that I can, especially exploring Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Yeah. Your support is very much appreciated, and I hope you guys will enjoy. See ya!
Pag nandito kayo sa Iloilo International Airport, I suggest and I highly recommend to visit this store. Sobrang sarap ng siomai nila. Nasa pinakadulo sila. Thank you! So guys, I just realized, kanina pa ako kumakain dito. Nandito ako sa parang table na malaas na table. And nasa harap ko lang pala yung pangalan ng restaurant. Kanina pa pala to. Ayan. So guys, please visit Lucy's Restaurant. Again, sa loob ng Iloilo International Airport. Sila yung pinakadulo sa right. Highly recommended.
Yan yung sabi ko, guys. So, pagpasok nyo dito, actually tayo kasi from Terminal 2, lumipat tayo dito sa Terminal 1. And so, pagpasok nyo mula dun sa entrance, o yung unang-una mong gagawin is magbabayad ka ng travel tax mo. Nandito yung travel tax area, booth, andyan. So, yun yung pinaka-first thing na gagawin mo. And then, the second one, ako kasi, nakakuha na ako ng boarding pass ko, Iloilo to Manila, and then Manila to Ho Chi Minh. But in the instance na wala pa kayong boarding pass, then you have to go to your airline's booth para kumuha ng boarding pass nyo. Dito sa Terminal 1, Philippine Airlines, mga international airlines, I think yung AirAsia tsaka yung Cebu Pac is nasa Terminal 3. Yeah. Hindi ko pa kasi na-try Cebu Pac tsaka AirAsia International. But yes, after that, if you already have your boarding pass, after mo magbayad ng travel tax, kukuha ka ng boarding pass mo, and then after ng boarding pass, then you can proceed with immigration. So yeah, bawal mag-video dun sa immigration, so I'll see you guys later. There you go. So, guys, just a quick update. Andito na tayo ngayon sa boarding gate. Hindi pa actually final kung anong boarding gate going to Ho Chi Minh, but we are still waiting for our boarding time. It's currently 3:24 in the morning, November 20. 27 na to. Yeah, it's already November 27. Our flight is scheduled at 6:40. Alam ko naman talaga. Sabaw lang talaga ako. And speaking of sabaw, supposedly, I have a VIP lounge reserved at a lounge. Ang friend nyo, Day, wala nagalantaw sa oras. Yung VIP lounge pala, mag-open ng 5 a.m. up until 11 p.m. Girl, 6 a.m. yung flight ko. Natural yung 5 a.m. na yan. Parang boarding time na yan. Wala, hanap pa na ako ng hanap. Actually, naka-VIP lounge na kami dyan before. So, thanks to Trip.com. That is for free, guys. Don't worry. Trip.com has coins and points, rather, that you can use and redeem those kind of rewards. So,
Yung friend nyo, sabaw talaga, girl. Wala, cancel.
Anyway, so what happened during the immigration? Ngayon, actually, first time kong mag-flight ng ganitong oras. So, medyo nagulat ako. Actually, hindi naman siya nakakagulat, no? Kasi palagi naman na maraming pila sa immigration. But earlier, maraming nakapila. Pero I think NAIA already improved the process. May automatic may automatic scanner na ng boarding pass, which is good. Nag-improve na talaga. Hopefully, it's consistent. Tapos pagdating ko sa immigration, like, gumana lang ako sa officer. Girl, wala. Tatak ka agad. Wala talagang tinanong kahit ano. Wala. Like, hindi man lang ako tinanong kung sino kasama mo. Hindi man lang ako tinanong, are you a government employee or what? Wala, girl. Wala. Like, This is the second time. Pero na-shock lang ako kasi halos lahat ng mga nakakasama ko may tanong, are you with someone? Ilang days ka doon? Saan ka magsistay? Which is, yun yung mga normal question during immigration, no? Yung mga immigration officer natin, ganun talaga yung question. Normally, first question nila is, are you a government employee? Para saan po ba to yung trip? Kailan ka uuwi? Para mga ganun lang naman yung questions nila, no? I'm happy that the process during immigration, yung pila, yung pag-scan and everything is smooth. Alam mo, kasi ako yung bag ko, I have 3 gadgets sa backpack ko kasi nga nagtatrabaho ako. By the way, guys, anong kasi nga? Hindi ko pa pala na-mention. By the way, guys, I am a virtual assistant and so, yung backpack ko, I have 3 gadgets there. And so, that is like a 5 minutes stress of every travel, no? Na kukunin mo yung laptop mo kasi i-x-ray yan is, anong x-ray? Is-scan. But anyway, isang tip pa. So, I noticed maraming nakapila kanina na naka-ready na talaga yung mga paper documents, no? If you guys have like a paper documents like your COE, your marriage certificate, your bank statement, or whatsoever, I think I would rather keep them. Kasi nanonotice ko, if nakikita ng mga immigration officer na may marami kang bit-bit, marami kang dalang paper documents and whatever, hihingin nila. Kasi like, okay, prepared ka. So, hihingin nila. What if try muna nating itago, no? Kasi, parang ano yun sa kanila na wala kang tinatago or hindi ka kinakabahan. Kasi na-notice ko din na pag kinakabahan ka, doon sila maraming tanong sa tao. Alam mo yun? Pero pag like, hindi naman sobrang pero like, ganun ka lang, chill ka, wag ka sobrang jolly na, hi, ganun, parang ganun, wag. Normal, lang, relax, ganun. Relax, focus, listen carefully. If they have question, dapat makasagot ka agad ng maayos. If you also have a documents prepared to your phone, like your itinerary, your hotel bookings, and all of that, just keep them. Wait for them to ask you, tsaka mo siya ilalabas. Same with your paper documents. Just a tip lang. I don't know if maybe sa iba it works, but yun yung nanonotice namin ever since. So, just be you. Just relax and answer whatever they are asking. Ganun lang. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare. I'm just waiting for the boarding time and I'll see you in Vietnam, guys. Hey guys, welcome to Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh. We made it. Kakalanding lang po natin. And we are heading to immigration. Actually, I think andito na yun. Yeah, actually dito na pala. I'll talk to you guys later. Bawal kasi mag-video. We're done with immigration. Papunta ako ngayon sa carousel number 3 para kumuha ng luggage natin. We haven't exchange or nakapag-withdraw yet. I think dun pa sa labas. And then, hindi rin tayo pa nakabili ng SIM card. So, and guys, just a heads up, dito sa Vietnam, medyo strict sila, yung immigration officer nila, medyo strict sa boarding pass. So, wag niyong wawalain yung boarding pass niyo. Kasi matatagalan kayo dun sa immigration. There are a couple of people na, I think, nawawala yung ano nila, yung boarding pass. So, natatagalan sila dun. So, if you can, oh, nandito na yung luggage ko. Okay. Hi! Here you go. And then, perfect. Alright. I think next is mag-withdraw muna tayo. Tapos, bumili tayo ng ano, ng SIM card. So, from here, diretso lang. Makikita. Nandun sa taas yung immigration nila. So, pagbaba mo dito, nandito lahat ng carousel nila. And then, I think, nasaan yung exit? Ayun. Okay. So, dito tayo. I think dito. Okay. Dito yung exit nila. And then, wala akong nabook kahit ano. So, mag-explore na lang tayo, no? Hindi naman tayo first time dito. So, ayan. Andito sa lahat ng mga SIM card, ATM, dito mismo sa labas. Ayan. So, makikita mo yan lahat. Ayan. SIM card. And then, ayan. I think the first thing that we need to do is maghanap muna tayo ng ATM machine. ATM. I think wala siya. Wala na ATM dito na iba. So, wala pa naman akong cash. Ay, may cash ako pero konti lang. Mag-exchange na lang muna tayo. By the way guys, the currency here is Vietnamese dong. So, it's like yung 500,000 Vietnamese dong nila is like 1,000 pesos sa atin. Parang ganun na lang. Para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Parang divide by 2. So, dito try natin. Ayan. Sige, try natin. Dito na lang ako napabili ng SIM card, guys. Ito din yung ginamit namin last year. Okay naman siya. And then, since yung nag-iisang ATM nila hindi nakakapag-dispense ng pera, nag-accept naman pala sila dito ng card. So, that's a good thing. Oops, sorry. Yeah, there you go. So, kailangan ko ng cash. Yeah. May 5,000 pesos pa naman ako dito. So, I think mag-exchange na lang muna tayo para at least may pang anong pambili. May pambayad tayo sa Grab. And then, doon na lang tayo sa District 1 maghanap ng ATM. Okay? Alright guys, so nandito na ako sa labas. Yan siya. Actually, medyo mainit siya today. And then, just a quick, may isi-share ako mamaya na lang sa Grab. Pero, just a quick tip. So, paglabas nyo dyan sa airport, dyan yung exit. Lakad kayo dito ng konti. Syempre, mag-grab naman tayo. Yung ano nila dito, Transpo, is Grab. May taxi naman sila, pero I would suggest na mag-grab kayo. So, lakad kayo dito ng konti. May pedestrian lane dyan. And then, dun kayo sa tapat. Nandun yung Grab pick-up point. So, hindi ibig sabihin na may Grab dito. Dito sila pick up. No. So, you have to dito, pumunta dun sa tapat. Tapos, dun kayo pick upin ng Grab. Okay? Nandun tayo kanina sa tapat. Tumawid lang ako dito. Ayan, may pedestrian lane. And then, dito po yung Grab pick-up point. And, nakapag-book na ako. Driver has just arrived. Hanapin natin, tara. Ayun guys, finally nakasakay na tayo ng Grab. Papunta na tayo sa District 1 sa ating hotel. Yung pagsistayhan natin, napagstayan na din namin to last year. That's why babalik tayo doon kasi sobrang convenient niya. Pagbaba mo, maraming store, malapit siya sa Bentan Market and all of the tourist spot. I'll show you guys later. But earlier, eto guys so totoo yung balita na mahaba, dapat ka talagang magbitbit ng mahabang pasensya sa immigration nila. Sobrang haba ng pila. Parang actually mas worse sila sa pila compared dun sa NAIA sa atin, no? Yung sa atin kasi, umuusad siya. Sa kanila naman, ang haba na ng pila, parang hindi pa umuusad. So, yes, magbitbit ka ng mahabang pasensya. And then, sabi ko nga kanina, unfortunately, nag-iisa na lang yung ATM machine, hindi pa nakapag-dispense ng cash. And, guys, I would highly recommend if you will go here in Vietnam, bring cash, no? 'Di ba? Hindi ko rin naman na-adapt sa sarili ko, pero I'm glad na may 5,000 pesos pa ako kasi instead of mag-withdraw dyan, kasi hindi yan yung hahanapin natin yung ATM machine or bank na pinag-withdraw namin na mas malaki yung exchange rate compare dyan. Pero pag nasa airport ka, kahit mag-ano ka na lang muna, mag-exchange ka na lang muna ng pera mo. If you have 10,000 pesos or at least 5,000 pesos, that should be fine. For para makabili ka lang ng SIM card if you guys don't have eSIM yet. The SIM card that I bought is good for 11 days. It's already unlimited and it's worth 300,000 Vietnamese dong. So, parang mga 500 pesos ish sa atin yan. And ito guys ha, ganito. Kasi yung babae kanina nag-offer siya. Kasi sabi ko I don't have cash yet. I need to withdraw. And sabi niya they accept card daw. So, nag-go naman ako kasi okay. Nag-accept naman talaga sila ng card, no? So, pagkakita ko, 'di ba nailagay na yung SIM card and all and it's working. Tapos magsa-swipe na siya. Kita talaga ng dalawang mata ko, 400,000 Vietnamese dong yung nakalagay. Sabi ko, no, 300,000, not 400. Tapos binigyan niya ako ng 100,000 Vietnamese dong. Sabi niya, I will give you 100 and this machine daw doesn't work for, it has a minimum amount. Like, hello? I don't think that there is a minimum amount, you know? I think if you are not focusing, tapos hindi mo nakita yon, then they will gonna swipe whatever amount na hindi mo alam. 'Di ba? Magugulat ka na lang, "Huy, ba't ganito yung naano sa bangko?" So, maging active, guys. Especially pag medyo taranta ka pa, medyo nag-ano ka pa, be active. Mag-observe kung ano nangyayari, especially pag card yung ginagamit. Mag-ano talaga. Tapos make sure na yung tag dito, yung sinasabi nilang amount, if how much is this kind of thing, sisiguraduhin mo din na ganyan din sa kabila. Mag-observe ka kung same lang ba yung amount or baka nang sa scam lang sila. I don't want to say that it was a scam. Maybe it was true, maybe it was not. Pero like, I've been in Vietnam last year. I also been in Hanoi tsaka Sapa, pero parang hindi ko naman na-experience yun. So I don't think any type of, alam mo yung sinaswipe ng card. So I don't think that there is a minimum amount, you know? So yeah. Ano yan guys, lesson learned. Lesson yan. And ano yan sa inyo. Tapos, yung ginawa ko na lang, nagpa-exchange na lang ako ng 4,000 pesos. I have like a 1,300,000-ish Vietnamese dong right now. It's just good for me to pay Grab and pambili ng pagkain mamaya just in case. And then, andito na ngayon tayo sa Grab. Yan si Kuya. And the hotel from airport is like 36 minutes, and the total ng Grab is 97,000 dong. So that is like 160 to 170 pesos lang. 'Di ba? guys, I just wanted to share, especially sa mga first timer, no? Yung Grab app, mag-update siya ng kusa. At the same time, yung time mismo. Kasi Vietnam is behind 1 hour sa Philippines. So, okay. Yan, updated yan siya. Wala akong ginawa. Pag open ko ng Grab ko, ganyan na yung mukha niya. This is our hotel. And this is one of the reason why I love Vietnam. Sobrang cheap. Ano ba yan? Mag-focus. Sobrang cheap ng Grab nila dito. Mula kanina sa airport, parang mga 36 minutes going to our hotel. And ganyan lang yung babayaran natin. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Andito na tayo sa hotel. Ito yung hotel natin. Hotel Naisida Hotel. Yan siya. Yan. Tapos may tabi siya mga stores. Stores. May ano siya dito na parang family mart nila. It's called Circle K. And since, which we are expecting, the check-in time actually is 2 p.m. pa. And then 21 a.m. pa lang dito. So we have to wait 2 p.m. But it's okay. I was expecting that already. Mag-iikot-ikot na lang muna tayo. I'll show you guys around. I think since naghahanap na talaga ako ng coffee, we're gonna try coffee. I think like Poklong or something. Kasi yun yung ano, dito sa likod, I know may Poklong dito. Kasi last year, dyan din kami uminom ng kape. So, punta muna tayo dun. Ayan, so, nandito tayo ngayon sa Poklong Coffee and Tea. Akala ko kanina dito kami, bumibili ng coconut coffee. Hindi pala yun. Pero masarap yung coffee nila dito. And kung doon din kayo masastay sa Nicey Hotel, paglabas mo sa left side, tapos ikot ka lang. Parang rotonda kasi siya. Pag ganun. So, ikutin mo lang. Tapos nandito na yung Poklong sa ano. Poklong. Poklong. Uy. Come on. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, mantikan tumutumba yung guys. I have 2 drinks. This one is their milk tea. And this, ka-pressure. Guys, sorry pag hindi ako magaling mag-Tagalog. Ay, ilong gagid ko, baladay. Butlayan ko. And then, bani. Ito lang yung mga hindi ko kayang kainin. Hindi ko to kinakain. So, kukunin natin yung mamaya. Hindi ko kayang kainin to. Yeah, alam ni na mama yan. Cheers. Tapos ito pa yung drink mo. Hampat. Wala yung pagod ko. Okay guys, so tapos na tayong kumain. Sobrang busog ko. Hindi ko na, tinake out ko na lang to. Sobrang sarap, sobrang busog, sobrang worth it niya. Now, since hindi pa rin tayo makakapag-check-in sa hotel, I decided na lang na I don't know, maybe keratin na lang yung hair ko. Kasi sobrang dry niya na pupunta tayo sa the hair space. Malapit lang siya dito sa hotel natin. Ayan. Ito yung maganda sa Vietnam. Kasi you can eat and drink outside. Yeah. So, hahanapin natin tong the hair space. Excuse me. Hanapin ko natin. Bobo pa naman ako sa location, guys. Ano ba yan? 6 minutes lang, pero hindi ko alam kung paano ito hahanapin. Hindi ba straight lang to? Good luck sa pera. Tapos guys, tip pala. Dito sa Vietnam, hindi nag-a-adjust yung mga riders dito tsaka drivers ha. So, pag tumawid ka, hindi yan sila magsa-stop for you.
Head northwest, then turn right.
Uy, bakit? Kanina 3 minutes lang tapos naging... Dito ba yun? Wala na. Piling ko malit ang desisyon ko. Hindi talaga ako magaling sa location. Ay. Tama ba to? Wait lang. Hala, saan na to? Magagrab na lang ako. Ayoko na. Ay, tanungin natin yung ano. Balik muna tayo sa hotel. Okay guys, so wala, maglalakad talaga tayo. Kasi sabi ni Kuya, amait ni Kuya doon sa hotel. Sabi niya, wag ko daw sundin yung mga yung voice command dito sa Google Map kasi hindi daw ako dadalhin doon sa exact location. Sorry guys, wait lang po. Hindi daw ako dadalhin doon sa location kung saan. So, mag-stick daw ako sa map mismo itself, wag daw sa command. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, hindi naman ako nag-ano sa command, pero like, bobo ko po kasi sa map. If narinig nyo akong humihingal, tumawa lang kayo. Kasi first time ko to ulit, like maglakad-lakad. And I think that's also one of the reason why na pinupush ako ni Mama mag-vlog. Kasi kailangan ko exercise. And malapit na yung dinagyang. Baka sasayaw tayo, so kailangan natin maging fit ulit. So pag hiningal ako, okay lang yan. Pakinggan nyo na lang. And nandito na nga tayo sa Benton Market. See? Ganyan ka very convenient yung hotel natin. Malapit tayo sa coffee shops. Pagbaba natin may coffee shop. And then ito lang yung sa Vietnam. Yung mga motor, dito talaga sa sidewalk, nagpa-park. Yan yung nila. Ayan. Tapos kahit sidewalk, guys, parang siya, dinadaanan siya ng motor. So, mag-ingat-ingat na lang. Ano meron dito? Gold? Oh. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron, guys. Maraming tao. Pipila din tayo. Pipila nung walang alam. Ang daming tao. Guys, may nadaanan tayo. Legit pala yung yung scam na yung mga nagbe-brush ng mga shoes na sa pilitan. So, be careful. Especially, target nila yung mga turista talaga. Like, maybe Pinoy. Like, pupunasan nila yung shoes mo bigla-bigla. Tapos sisinginin ka ata nila ng malaki. So, wait. I think kailangan ko tumawid. Or dito. Straight? Ano? Ayan. Oh my gosh. Makikipagsapalaran tayo, guys. Walang stoplight. Sige. Let's go. We can do this. Okay. Ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko, pag tumawid ka, tawid. Huwag magdalawang isip. And, ayan, tingnan mo, may mga nangungulit sa likod. Huwag mong pansinin. Diretso ka lang. Tapos pag may nagpunas ng sapatos mo, huwag. Lumakad ka lang. Pag pinigilan ka nila, mag-ano ka na. Hindi pwedeng ganun. This is Benton Market. Pero, no, hindi ako papasok dyan. Oh gosh! Oh no. Bakit paikot-ikot na nga ako? Oh my gosh, wait lang. Okay guys, andito ngayon ako sa hair space. Mag-i-enquire tayo dito ng sa buhok ko kasi sobrang dry na yung buhok ko. So, papacheck natin sa kanila. Okay?
Yeah, for how many months?
The permanent is until your root for a while.
But can I still do curl?
You can do whatever you want, but after you wash, your hair's dry.
Okay, cool. Alright, let's do it. Do you guys accept card?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So, tignan yung buhok ko, guys. That's before. Tapos, sobrang dry niya. Actually, I just got my hair done 2 weeks ago. Pero like, look at, super dry. Oh my gosh, I love it. Worth it. Para ako mukhang bagong tao. Thank you. Guys, wow. Look at that transition of my hair. Para ako naging mukhang tao ulit. My gosh. Let's go. I think pwede na tayong mag-check-in. But before that, mag-withdraw muna tayo. Oh, para akong tao. Sige, let's go. There you go. Finally, guys, naka-check-in na din tayo. It's already 3:22 in the afternoon. Oh my gosh, wait lang. I love my hair. As in, worth it talaga. Thank you so much, the hair space. Sobrang... wala na ako masabi. Worth it talaga. Anyway, let's go ahead and do a very quick room tour because I'm so tired. Papahinga lang ako konti. Makakapag-power nap. So, yeah. By the way, again, we are staying at Nicey Hotel. I booked this in trip.com. You can also book this at Klook. It's just that, nung nag-check ako sa Klook, wala nang available. I don't know. Tapos pag-check ko sa trip.com, available. Oh, diba? Anyway, this is the bathroom. It's very nice. Spacious. And the head shower. May kasama na din siyang yan, may palagi naman silang free. Tapos, nire-refillan nila yan, guys. Nag-stay kasi kami dito last year. So, ayan. May mirror tayo dito. The sink. And then, may mga free na, sila, amenities. And, yan, cotton buds, toothbrush, ganon. And then, dito yung toilet. And towels. Ang ganda ng room. Ng bathroom. And then, by the way guys, the room is a superior room with no window. Kasi wala na talagang available na room. Gusto ko sana yung may window kasi yun yung room ko last year. Kaso wala nang available talaga. Fully booked sila. So, this is their room. I think it's a queen size bed. Ayan. And then, may TV dito. And then, may full body mirror tayo dyan. Ayan. Our luggages. And then, may sila, closet. Ayan. And may closet sila, guys. With vault sa baba. Sleeper. I am not sure what is this. Pero wala na akong planong i-open. Hangers. Ayan. The room is very spacious for me. Diba? May side table tayo dyan. May trash can. And then, ito talaga ang pinaka-importante sa akin. May, tawag dito, working station, working table. And then, of course, hindi tayo magbubook kung walang mini fridge. Yeah. Guys, oh my gosh, dito na siya. Ay, hindi. No, Sprite Sun. Last year kasi, dito ko lang natikman yung Sprite. Sobrang sarap. I don't know why. Sobrang sarap talaga. So, This is not for free. Nandyan lang yan, pero kailangan mong bayaran yan pag kumuha ka. But I think the water is like unlimited. They change that every day. So yeah, there is a mini fridge. And then, may complimentary silang water. And then, coffee. Ito na naman, iuwi natin to. Chine-change nila to every day. Pati yung tea. No? Ayan. And then there's... O, diba? Sabog na ako. Hindi ko na alam kung blower. And then, kettle. May... Ang tawag dito. Telephone tayo dyan. And then, there is a light for work. Pero sobrang ano naman yan. Diba? Oh. Anyway, that's it, guys. So, if you want a hotel that is very convenient, na pagbaba mo may coffee shop na, may bibilhan na ng mga food, and very near lang sa mga tourist spot like Benton Market, Cafe Apartment, War Museum, and other Landmark 88, I highly suggest to book here in IC Hotel or mga kalapit niyang hotel. So, yeah. I'll try to get some rest because I have work later, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.